Today's journey of the heart. I don't even think I formally introduced myself today. I look a little crazy. So for more introduction, light on. Oh, I look like James Charles. Hi sisters. Okay, this one looks cute. Hey guys. So I'm gonna do like a little, I look so yellow. I'm gonna do like a little day in the life vlog. Today I'm gonna see Lex. I cleaned a little bit. I started to clean a little bit before I leave. It is 1 o'clock. I've been up since 10:30 and I've literally done, I don't know a lot, but I've done a little bit. It's kind of flown by. It's a little gloomy day. We're gonna go to LA. I'm gonna take pictures and go shopping a little bit, go to thrift shopping. She has a little business, I'll tag her below. I'm gonna do a little collab thing. I don't know. Let me take my phone because I don't think I want to take my vlog camera all the way to LA to clean. I want you guys like my makeup routine, but I'm not a makeup artist. I don't know a lot of things. I don't know how to do eyeliner. I don't know how to do contour, highlight. I don't even do highlight. Like I don't even know how to do that. I made this juice the other day. It has kale, cucumber, green apple, whatever. If you guys want a recipe, let me know. What was that? I don't know. It might fit. My Lex's house. Testing out some clothes for her son. Beautiful. Robin. Yes.
Fuck. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why?
So her YouTube and now we're out to the rain.
Might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not?
Came home to the family. Hey guys.
Hey. I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't feel it all.
Why are you such a hater?
But you know.
Why it's getting colder when
Sorry.
the sun comes out?
Yeah,
I don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me now.
Liah, I look crazy. It's okay. Thank you so much. I saw this recipe on IG for like a peanut butter sandwich French toast. I've never even had French toast. I'm gonna make a peanut butter. Yeah, peanut butter banana sandwich French toast. just hope it turns out good. It looks good. I'm excited. Okay, ready? Good. They're so good. Bomb. I love sweet potato fries. Try them. You might like them. It's like extra birthday. I'm vlogging me talking to you guys. I'm saying that I have like 0 friends, so I talk on my private story. Pretty excited because I want to get my license, and so when I get my permit, it'll be in March because that's when my 59th birthday is. I'm a September 12th baby, Virgo baby. And when I'm September, that means with this YouTube channel, I will have more freedom to do more fun videos because I will also be able to drive places. And hopefully, I'm manifesting that COVID is gone by September so I could drive and do fun stuff without a mask. But if COVID's there, I'll wear a mask for you guys. But I will still do funner stuff. Funner's not a word. Don't come at me for that. I'm calling all y'all out whose birthdays are early this year or you guys are already 16 and y'all don't even have your permit and haven't even done practice for your permit. Like, come on, like, I'm the youngest one, I'm the baby, and I'm doing this. Like, how are y'all not motivated? I don't know. Wish me luck, guys. I'm gonna be driving. Y'all gonna see me in the streets. I'm gonna be the best driver in California. So just saying, because I'm gonna be doing this at 8 o'clock on a Sunday. What about you? What are you doing? My night is ruined. My history teacher posted that I hit the chapter for this week, but it's like we have a chapter every single week, but like when he posts it, it's just like my mind is like aware of it. But what am I gonna do? I'm gonna make this week easier because I've got a little reading schedule, so I'm gonna read a little bit right now. Unfortunately, I'm gonna read that. It is 8:48, and after I'm gonna do my bullet journal my bullet journal spread for the week where I do like my to-do list. As you guys saw in like the beginning of the video, I was like, I go to sleep at like 11. Yeah, but my driver's ed thing, I failed the section of the exam of the last section, and about to retake it. I'm doing good. So now I only have like a few more weeks left, and me and my bestie Megan, we planned out my little thing. She's motivating me to do this, and she's helping me like find a plan, like a study plan, so by the time in March I'm able to take my test and everything. So I'm pretty stoked about that. But I'm gonna go read. I'm gonna read 5 pages, and don't gonna give out any negative energy to you guys, but you guys are literally dying. Like, there's a flashing button saying that you guys are dying, so y'all need a little resty rest. The seasons are changing. It's cold. We're going through phase. 10:51. I want to go sleep in like 10 minutes, but like I don't go on my phone before I go to sleep. I stop watching YouTube. I finished my bullet journal spread today. This is what it looks like. I do the same spread for a month, and then I move on when the new month starts. This is my month for today. It's like to manifest list, because I heard it's not good they say to do, because like your subconscious mind is like doesn't want like stress, like but like manifest, like the universe will do it. I started what I'm grateful for in that book at night, 7 to 9 a.m. I'm doing that right now. And I have this gratitude journal that I have since I was like young. Well, not young, but like since I was like in 2018. Like, I was like, Mom, what's making me laugh today? Alexa's jokes, memes, Jimmy Kimmel, Friend, my video edits, live. I also use this burn your journal. Not burn journal. Burn after writing. My bestie Giselle gave it to me. So I just open it to a random page and I complete it, as you can see. And some pages completed. But I just open to a random page. Like, just to like reflect on my day, reflect on myself. It's pretty good. But that just concludes my day. That concludes my weekend. So tomorrow I have to wake up at 7:13 to do my morning, and as you guys saw my first video back, you guys can go watch that right here somewhere. But that means I'm leaving, so I'm gonna go to sleep. I'm gonna do all that kind of stuff. Thank you guys for watching. This was a pretty eventful weekend. I didn't do much, but I did do a lot and I had fun. I showed you guys some recipes. If you guys want more recipes, let me know. Let me know in the comments below what kind of videos you guys want. I love you guys. Let me know anything. Comment below, subscribe, share this with your friends, and support me. I want to share my passion with you guys, share my life with y'all. So yeah, some fun things are happening. You guys already know. Anyways, I love you guys. Be blessed. Every day's a blessing. I love you. Thank you. And thank you, universe. This shirt is signed by Emma Chamberlain. Bye.